Welcome back to an invitation to play. Today we are going to be using shape pieces to make some shape creations. We are going to move these shapes around to form a picture. Stick around and together we are going to become artists. Thank you so much for making shape creations with me today. I wonder what creations you'll make after watching this video. If you did not go on a shape scavenger hunt with us last week, be sure to check out that video. And I can't wait to see you next week from a new location.